When investing in replacement windows for your Coppell home, it's easy to focus on features like double-pane glass, low-E coatings, or stylish frame options. While product quality certainly matters, there's another factor that plays an equally important role in performance: proper installation. Even the most energy-efficient replacement windows won't deliver their full benefits if they aren't installed correctly. For Coppell homeowners, where hot summers and occasional cold snaps put windows to the test, professional installation is essential to ensuring comfort, efficiency, and long-term durability. Preventing air leaks and drafts. One of the primary reasons homeowners replace their windows is to eliminate drafts. However, poorly installed windows can still allow air to seep in around the frame. Proper installation ensures the window opening is accurately measured, frame is square, and level gaps are sealed with appropriate insulation. Weatherproofing materials are applied correctly. In Coppell's warm climate, air leaks mean your air conditioner has to work harder to keep your home cool. Over time, that increases energy usage and utility costs. A correctly installed replacement window creates a tight seal that supports maximum energy efficiency. Protecting against water intrusion. Heavy rainstorms can expose weaknesses around window frames. If flashing and sealing aren't done properly during installation, water can penetrate behind the window and into your walls. This can lead to mold growth, wood rot, interior wall damage, costly structural repairs. Professional installers understand how to properly integrate replacement windows with your home's exterior, ensuring water is directed away from the opening. In Coppell, where storms can bring sudden downpours, this protection is critical. Ensuring smooth operation. Replacement windows should open and close smoothly. If they stick, shift, or don't align correctly, installation issues may be the cause. Improper alignment can place stress on the window frame and hardware, leading to premature wear. Over time, this may affect locking mechanisms, insulation performance, and even security. A professional installation team carefully levels and secures each window to ensure proper function from day one. Maximizing energy efficiency. Energy-efficient replacement windows are designed to reduce heat transfer. However, gaps, poor insulation, or incorrect sealing can compromise that performance. In Coppell, where summer heat can be intense, properly installed windows help maintain consistent indoor temperatures. This reduces strain on HVAC systems and helps lower monthly cooling costs. Without proper installation, even high-performance glass and insulated frames can't do their job effectively. Preserving warranty coverage. Many window manufacturers require professional installation to maintain warranty coverage. If a window fails due to improper installation, the warranty may not apply. By choosing experienced installers, Coppell homeowners protect both their investment and their peace of mind. Improving long-term durability. Windows expand and contract slightly with temperature changes. Proper installation accounts for this natural movement by allowing for appropriate spacing and sealing. When windows are installed too tightly or without proper insulation materials, stress can build over time. This can cause frame distortion, cracked seals, or reduced performance. A correct installation ensures your replacement windows continue performing efficiently for years to come. Enhancing overall home value. Replacement windows are a significant home improvement. To maximize return on investment, they must perform as expected. When installed correctly, new windows improve comfort, efficiency, appearance, and resale value. Potential buyers in Coppell recognize quality workmanship and appreciate upgrades that are done right. A critical step in window performance. Replacement windows are only as good as their installation. For Coppell homeowners, proper installation ensures airtight seals, moisture protection, smooth operation, and full energy efficiency. If you're planning to upgrade your windows, working with skilled professionals is just as important as selecting high-quality products. When installation is done correctly, your replacement windows will deliver comfort and performance in every season.